Project Introduction. Opti AI is a wearable smart glasses system that uses an ESP32 camera, AirPods, and a Flutter mobile app to provide real-time assistance. It understands both voice and image-based queries and delivers quick, AI-powered responses without needing to hold a device. Project Objective. The objective of Opti AI is to create a hands-free, accessible tool that helps users get instant information through voice commands and visual input, making everyday tasks easier, faster, and more convenient. Societal impact. Opti AI improves productivity and accessibility by supporting users who need quick information or visual understanding. It reduces reliance on phones, assists people with visual or mobility challenges, and promotes safer multitasking. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) alignment. The project supports SDG for quality education, SDG 9 innovation, and SDG 10 reduced inequalities by offering an affordable, innovative, and accessible AI solution that enhances learning, independence, and digital inclusion. Project Overview. This video showcases the Opti AI Glasses project, demonstrating how AI, speech image recognition, and wearable technology provide real-time, interactive assistance for learning, problem-solving, and daily tasks.
So I will be covering the core functionality of our Opti AI glasses. This is our splash screen. Start with the splash screen. And here's the login part. So user can log in, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up. We also have added the other methods of sign up, Google authentication. So let's log in. I have already created an account. So this screen is evaluating the connections, internet, and connecting with our Opti AI glasses. Once this is checked, then it moves towards the main dashboard. Here's our main dashboard of Opti AI glasses. What you can see here is you can do analyzing image, voice chat, and explain anything, and schedule an event or any other things. There is an option of camera not attached. If you click it, it will check the connections. It is standby. Now our glasses is attached to the app, and we can query to our app. Here you can see the history, the chat history. We have chat history options. It is categorized as today, yesterday, and so on. You can delete it by one by one or delete the whole database. Then there comes the setting part. So in the settings, a user can update its information about profile, dark mode, light mode, and here's the best part of our app is the AI preferences. We have added the personality of AI, either it is friendly, professional, or concise, according to your taste. There's a voice speed of AI, the output text-to-speech feature we have added. You can update whatever suits you the best. Recommended 0.25 is the best. There's an glass settings. There's an option of auto capture. So if you don't want your glasses to capture images, then you can take it off. And other is the check connection between your Opti AI glasses and the mobile app. If you ping it, this will show the glasses attached or not. You can send us the feedback about Opti AI. You can change password, delete account, and log out. Now let's move on to our main core functionality of our app. Let's do something a query like, hey, who are you? It will process thinking.
Hi, I'm Opti AI, your friendly smart glasses assistant.
Let's do something like a picture get image. For example, I am seeing it will process its image-based query and triggers the ESP32 camera in our glasses. Here you can see it captures.
I'm sorry, but I don't see a beautiful place in the image. The image appears to show a wall and what looks like a rough, textured surface, possibly a rock or tree bark. There's also a glimpse of someone's arm and clothing.
It will get the image. Let's do some real-time queries, like we need an fresh update. This is how our RAG technique works here. Like,
the price of Bitcoin is around $93,030.14 USD according to Binance, while coin market cap reports $87,100.85 USD. The 24-hour trading volume is approximately $86.18 billion USD.
It will give you also the sources where it gets the information. So now our core main functionality is to give our user a free handy wearable glasses AI assistant. It can also use an AI agent like your personal assistant. Like I will say, schedule my meeting with Anas at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Event created in calendar. roundnumber12345@gmail.com. roundnumber12345@gmail.com.
So you can see it going my Google calendars and schedule a meeting. Let's verify this. You can see here meeting with Anas. It has been scheduled. You can also call someone, like call Anas.
Call my Anas.
It will now choose me where I want to. Anas, Zong or Jess. Anyway. Now let's move towards our main course, which is input output audio. How Opti AI glasses works on it. There is a microphone button. You can input audio. Conservation mode. You can see conservation mode. Now you can talk to our agent continuously without having a microphone button. Like you can do whatever you want.
Hi Xavier, how can I help you today?
Now you can to AI agent continuously. it will reply, it will.
I understand that the microphone seems to be activating when you are not touching the button. I'll look into it right away. Napier.
So here's our glasses. You can see this is our camera, ESP32, which is capturing the images from the mobile app. And here we connect the batteries, connectors, buttons, and a circuit with all of them. Here a USB device for charging the battery. Once it's charging, it will not powering the ESP32. Once the charging is done, you can unplug it so you can see the camera. Here, if I say camera, my camera is currently, you can see it's green. You can see it's capturing me because it is in front of me.
Conclusion: Opti AI is an intelligent wearable system that delivers real-time, interactive answers using smart glasses, an ESP32 camera, and AirPods. By combining voice and image recognition with algorithms and intent analysis, it allows users to seamlessly receive accurate information, whether text-based or image-based, making everyday tasks faster, easier, and hands-free. Thank you.